Hey, this is Amanda, and I wanted to tell you about my experience with TOTS on Target and Dr. Allison. My son was sent to occupational therapy around 4 months old for a flat spot on his head. Once we got there, the therapist expressed some concerns for other motor milestones like reaching, grasping, and he wasn't starting any of the baby milestones that lead to rolling. When she told us that, my heart sank. We live in a very rural area with limited medical providers, and we were already driving an hour and a half per week just to get him to OT. So when I saw Dr. Allison online as a qualified, experienced pediatric PT for the same price as one visit, and you get the entire month of resources and access to Dr. Allison, I was interested. So I hopped on a Zoom call with her, and within a month of starting, my son actually, a month of starting TOTS on Target, my son started to roll, which seemed like it was never going to happen. So she knows what she's doing, and she knows how to meet your baby just where they're at and just where you are too.